In today's video, we're going to be checking out the very best deck for Arena 1 here in Clash Royale. Before we do dive into this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But this is going to be an updated video. We made one about 2 months ago now. And of course, the meta has changed since then. So this is all updates here. But before we do dive in this, obviously make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. The deck that you're going to be using is this one right here, which is Giant Goblin Cage. Now, this deck sits around a 3.5 elixir cost, and honestly, it's one of the cleanest beginner-friendly decks that you can actually play. The core win condition here is obviously going to be your Giant, and you're going to want to drop him in the back and build up a push, and then support with your Musketeer or Mini P.E.K.K.A. Musketeer is going to give you that long-range firepower, while Mini P.E.K.K.A. is going to be perfect for shredding enemy tanks. On defense, though, you have Goblin Cage, which is huge at this level. Brawler is going to pop out, which is great for stalling and counter pushing. And it also combos really well with the Spear Goblins or regular Goblins to chip away. For spells, obviously, we only really have Fireball and Arrows. Both are super reliable here in Arena 1. Use arrows to clear swarms like Skeleton Army or Minion Horde, and Fireball when you need heavier removal or to just take down Musketeers and buildings. Overall, this deck does have good attack, godly defense, and really strong versatility. It's also super free to play since it is only Arena 1, which makes grinding trophies a lot smoother. But if you do have any questions on this deck, ask us down below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.